Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the file size limit for Podio. I'm often asked this question by my viewers, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about what Podio is. Podio is a cloud-based project management software. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used to manage a variety of projects, from small tasks to large, complex projects. One of the things that makes Podio so popular is its flexibility. You can customize the software to fit your specific needs, and there are a number of different apps and integrations available that can help you extend the functionality of Podio. File size limit for Podio. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the question of the day. What is the file size limit for Podio? The file size limit for Podio is 25 megabytes. This means that you can upload files up to 25 megabytes in size to your Podio account. This limit may seem small, but it's actually quite generous compared to some other project management software platforms. For example, Trello has a file size limit of 10 megabytes, and Asana has a file size limit of 50 megabytes. How to increase your Podio file size limit? If you need to upload files that are larger than 25 megabytes, there are a few things you can do. One option is to use a file compression tool. This will reduce the size of your file without affecting the quality. Another option is to store your large files in a cloud storage service, such as Dropbox or Google Drive. You can then link to the files from your Podio account. Finally, you can contact Podio support and request a higher file size limit. Additional tips for working with large files in Podio. Here are a few additional tips for working with large files in Podio. Avoid uploading multiple large files at once. This can slow down your Podio account. Use the Podio file viewer to preview large files without having to download them. Share large files with other users using Podio's sharing feature. If you're having trouble uploading a large file, try uploading it in a different browser. The file size limit for Podio is 25 megabytes. This means that you can upload files up to 25 megabytes in size to your Podio account. If you need to upload files that are larger than 25 megabytes, there are a few things you can do. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about Podio. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Podio tips and tutorials. See you next time.